Baseball players love digging in for the big hit. You need the right materials for that to happen. Today, we're going to install a clay batter's box at home plate. We'll go through it step by step so you can follow along and get the same professional finish on your field. Let's get started. Some tools you're going to need for today's project are a shovel, a hand tamp, field rake or screening rake, tape measure, can of spray paint, access to water, hose or watering can, hammer, 2 string lines, 12 stakes. Step 1. Layout and site prep. First off, we need a nice straight line to take our measurements off of. Drive a stake into the far corner of second base and tie a string line to it. Walk string line A across home plate and tie it off to a stake so that it creates a straight line to the center of home plate. Stretch string line B across the middle points of home plate perpendicular to line A and stake both ends. Since we're using the Marco Clay Ready Kit, we will be building 2 52 by 66 inch batter's boxes, but the techniques we are showing you today work for whatever size of batter's box you choose to build. Starting from line A, measure across line B and mark with your spray can at 14.5 and 66.5 inches. From line B, measure 33 inches to mark the back of your box. From line A, measure and mark again at 14.5 and 66.5 inches. Drive a stake into each X mark formed. These will be the corners of your box. Repeat on the front end of the batter's box. Spray a straight line around the border from corner to corner. Your batter's box should measure 52 by 66 inches and be 6 inches away from the edge of home plate. Follow the same steps to mark out your second batter's box on the other side of home plate. Now, you're ready to start digging. Step 2. Excavation. Dig 4 inches down into your marked area. Keep the excavated material around, as we'll use some of it as backfill later. Check that you are 4 inches down. Level out the bottom of the boxes once you finish digging and lightly spray with water. Step 3. Installation. Evenly spread a 1-inch layer of packing clay at the bottom of the box. This should take approximately 4 bags per box. Tamp the clay firmly until it is bonded together. Keep the clay from sticking to the tamp by covering it with a tamp sock, a cloth, or a plastic bag. Measure to confirm you're 3 inches below home plate. Add additional packing clay as needed to make a level surface and tamp firmly. Lightly spray the clay with water so that it will bond with the brick we're about to install. Don't leave clay to dry between steps, as keeping it damp will ensure it forms a solid bond. Remove the corner stakes. Starting at one end, place a clay brick snugly in the corner and continue to fill the row with 12 bricks. Fill the box in row by row, keeping rows tight together and straight. Once your box is full of bricks, backfill the gaps around the edges of the box using the previously excavated material. Be careful not to leave excavated material on top of the bricks. Spread a light layer of packing clay filling on top of your bricks, filling in any cracks between bricks. This should take around 3 bags. Tamp this clay to the bricks. Your batter's box should be 1/4 inch below home plate. Spread some more packing clay on it if it's too low or uneven. Repeat these steps to fill in your second box, then lightly spray both boxes with water. Step 4. Finishing touches. Finally, spread a light layer of infield surface material over the entire area. To keep the batter's boxes at a consistent moisture level, spread a tarp out over home plate when not in use. This will protect the clay from excessive sun and rain. You're done! Be sure to download our step-by-step PDF instruction sheet as well. Batter up!